Thank you for watching this week's video. We have a great one about a gentleman that works from home and has chronic shoulder pain, and it's painful when he lifts a grocery bag or water bottles, and it feels weak. And after the first visit, it feels better. So go ahead and watch the video and leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments. Thank you very much. So a little bit about me before we go over to your paperwork. I'm Khauv. I'm a chiropractor from California, United States. I've been doing this for over 20 years now. I have 20 years experience. My last job in California was with the United States Navy. I worked with the military for 5.5 years. I'm very proud of my work with the Navy SEALs, the Wounded Warriors, and the active duty members. This is a picture of myself and the team there. I'm the one in a black shirt. Yeah, I'm the one wearing the black shirt. The ones in uniform are physical therapy doctors and sports medicine. So welcome to our office. Let's take care of you. All right, so when we go to your paperwork, it looks like you've never seen the chiropractor first time.
Yeah, this is my first time.
Okay, and then let me go with this. So first, up on the very top, you have your neck pain.
My neck.
Yeah, how long have you had that?
I think after a year, when I started working.
When you started working, it started hurting. So no injury?
Nothing.
Nothing to your neck, but it's more maybe postural? Yeah. All right, so and then where do you exactly feel it? Is it looking up, looking down, turning your head left and right? Turning? How far turning can you do? Is that all you got there? Yeah. It's painful.
Sometimes I do this, like it will automatically pop.
It'll click a little bit, yeah. And then it feels better a little bit?
Yeah.
After that, and how long does it last? Or it comes back? When does it come back?
It comes back. I think an hour or
After an hour or so, yeah. Usually that's the case, and then it becomes, maybe people do it too many times. It also becomes a habit, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about looking down? Is there any pain there?
No.
No. No.
No.
That's okay. It's okay. Yeah. So more turning.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you have pain in your upper back here, between your shoulder blades. Where is that from? Is that from work too?
I think because when you sit for a long time and you work 4 hours, 5 hours straight, you need to. Sometimes I did stretching when
Right.
I feel numb.
Right there.
Okay. My back and the lower part.
Okay. All right. And how about your lower part? Yeah, your lower back. Is there pain on your legs or?
No.
So how would you describe the pain? Is it burning? Is it stabbing pain?
A little bit of numb.
Numb. So it's called. So there may be a pinched nerve there, a little bit, some numbness.
Yeah.
Okay, there's some numbness. Now, and then no injury to your lower back either. No. Yeah. And what is this circle around your elbow or arm here? Well, tell me more about that.
Also, it feels numb sometimes.
There's also numbness there? Okay.
But on the other side, it's okay.
The other side's okay?
It's the only one.
The right side has numbness. So there are some nerves from your neck that could go down to your arms there. We'll check your neck for that.
Okay.
Your pinch there, yeah. All right, and it started about a year ago. You wrote down a year ago here, when you started working. No injury. And then sitting makes it worse. How many minutes sitting? You said 4 hours, 5 hours?
Yes, 4 hours, 5 hours sleep in the morning. Then eat lunch, then go back to work again.
Okay, all right. And tell me, you checked off shortness of breath. Is it difficult to
because
breathe?
I'm taking cigarettes, and I stopped about 6 months ago.
Oh yeah, good.
That's I think that's an effect of my ano.
Okay, yeah, could be. So congratulations, yeah, 6 months. And muscle weakness, where do you feel that? Is that in your arm? Where do you feel muscle weakness?
My
Shoulder?
also.
Shoulder?
Shoulder, back.
Yeah, like you can't lift something up or lift anything up?
Yeah.
When do you feel weakness? When does it feel weak?
On this part?
Yeah. And when it's lifting?
Yes, when I lift something.
Yeah, what, like a grocery bag or?
Sometimes groceries,
Uh-huh.
water.
Yes, water
jug.
Right. Water jugs. Okay. And then we talked about the numbness and tingling, I think. Your elbow
Elbow back.
and back. Okay.
And neck.
And neck area. All right. Yeah. Good. Thank you for that. Quick pre-exam. Stand right here. We want to check how your neck and shoulders doing. Okay. Then look up, please. Neck pain, shoulder pain, and all.
Yeah, a little bit
Right there.
here.
Okay. Yeah.
At the right.
All right. So remember that spot. Let's see. There's a difference afterwards.
Sometimes I do this.
Yeah.
Like that.
Right. Turn your head left and right. Neck pain, shoulder pain,
Still here.
right there. Okay. Turn this way, this way. Back pain. The other side.
See.
Same back pain. All right. One last test. This side, this side.
Here.
Yeah, there.
The lower right side.
Lower right side. Okay. Now. All right. So I'm just gonna put your shoes together, and we'll see if your legs are even or not. Looks like your right leg is short, about an inch. Okay. Right leg short, about an inch or so. Let's make it even for you. We're gonna put your hands right here. There, your handles right there. So I feel your right spine here. Okay. So your right leg being short, this is misaligned a little bit there. Couple spots here. And I'm gonna help you make, I'm gonna help your shoulder be more even right now. Good.
Whew.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good?
good.
Yeah, good. All right, so lay on your side facing me, please. Yes, sir. Yeah. Bend your top knee.
Ooh, nice.
Good. On your back, please. Let's help your upper back, okay?
Woo. Dami. Nice.
Good.
Nice.
A little looser.
Yeah, it was. It's good.
All right, good. All right, one more spot. One more here.
Whew. Nice, doc.
Okay. So let me check your neck.
think my neck feel now, it's feel better. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. This way now, please.
Nice. Okay, Doc.
Alright, good.
It's also feel better. Okay.
Go face down. Let's see if you linger here.
Hi! Visit po kayo dito sa Balance Chiropractor Wellness. Bali, nag-visit ako ngayon dito and they very accommodating. Yun, bali, nagkaroon ako ng adjustment sa likod and yun, nawala na yung pananakit ng lower back ko, ng neck, tsaka ng shoulder. Yun, magaling si Doc Kim.